Alright, today we're going to hit one of my favourite spots. It has got a bit quiet there lately, but I'm hoping with the rain we've had that changes. We're going to go for some rainbow trout and yeah, go from there. See if we can get some fish. Oh, she's cold today, let me tell you. Absolutely freezing. Yep, there we go, we're on. First fish of the day. Fantastic start. Woo! Slippery bugger. What a great size, eh? Here we go. We'll just bring over these grass beds right here on the right hand side. See if we can't get someone to pop out last second. Yep, there we go, got another. Nice little rainbow again, here he is. So the good thing about rainbow is they're such a good fighting species. Yeah, you do not want to, eh? It's alright, you can become tired out. Alright. Come on, let's get you going. Another nice size. There we go. Off he goes. You can start thinking that I'm just catching the same fish over and over, eh? Same thing, just oh, run straight away. Oh, no way. I think I've just cast that on a fish. Just look, oh, look at this. That is so funny. This is, doesn't matter what size they are, they will just smash it. Look at the size. Look at him, he's absolutely demolished that. And he is tiny. As soon as that hit the water, oh. Alright, say goodbye to him. There he goes. I cannot believe that. Alright, see if we can get a rainbow out of here. Retrieve a little bit quicker. I'm getting follows every time. Let it drop a little bit, slowly retrieve and see what happens. Yep, there we go. Got him. Oh, it's a nice trout. Oh yeah, we are on today. Here we go. So that, probably pretty close to my PB out of here. He's up there. Nice little guy. Let him go back in. Off he goes. So let's hit the same thing again, maybe on the right this time. Go a bit slower again. Yep, there we go. Got another. This is all about lure placement. They're all a great size. See if we can get him released as quick as possible. So it really depends on where you're placing your lures here. You're always moving, not staying stagnant after a couple of casts. He wants to go, so we'll release the drag a little bit. He can have a fight, tire himself out. See if we can con him coming up here. Oh, there we go. He's just snapped me lure off. Me good lure. No. there we go, got another tiny one. Just, oh, he's off again. There we go, quick release. I love this spot because it's a great spot. There's logs, there's grass, there's everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip around to the right here and come up from the bottom and work my way up and see if we can't get anything. Now, I've just seen a fish jump out over there. What I'm going to do is cast all the way right next to it, slowly retrieve, see if I can't get him. Yep, there we go, got him. Another nice rainbow. Oh, quick release, very good. It's easier for me. Yep, oh, got him. Awesome. There he is. Don't want to lose another lure, so he's fighting. Oh, quick release again. Those are easy. All right, so that concludes today's fish. I don't know how many I got on camera, but it did die halfway through, and I got about 14 or 15 more after that. It wasn't a long session, probably 2 and a bit hours, but yeah, great outcome for that. You just got to know where to put the lures, where to look, and you have to get in the water sometimes. People don't like it, but you know, it's all in the fun of it. And there you go. It just goes to show that you can catch fish where others think you can't. So anyway, enjoy.